Hello, greetings to everyone watching this video and welcome to the Wollof classes. Today we will be discussing about how to greet in Wollof, and then we will give you the translation into English. But before going further, I would like to discuss something with viewers. In Wollof language, not every word is directly translated into English, but we express it in our own way. In English, they say it good morning. When somebody wake up from the bed and they said good morning. In Wolof, we don't use it like good morning. How do you use it in English like that? But that doesn't mean that we don't have the word for good and morning. We do have the word for good in Wolof and we have the word for morning in Wolof. But we don't use them together to say good morning. We don't. Okay, while in Wolof, when we greet to someone, whether in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, we express ourselves in a more patient way, as we enjoy socializing ourselves in the language. So instead the Wolof saying good morning, we said jama nga fanan, jama nga fanan, which means I hope you rest well. Jama, 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 and it is spelled as J-A-M-A. You can get your book and a pen and spell it as J-A-M-A, jama. Ng, 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 ng. It is spelled as N-G-A, N-G-A. Fanan, fanan, fanan. It is spelled as F-A-N-N-A-N, fanan. That's the full sentence on how we greet in the morning. Jama nga fanan. Jama nga fanan, which means in English, I hope you rest well. To which you will reply by saying jama rek. Jama, jama, J-A-M-A, jama, rek, rek, R-E-K, rek. Then the answer will be jama rek, jama rek, which means yes I did, yes I did. Jama nga fanan, I hope you rest well. Jama rek, yes I did. After greetings, saying jama nga fanan, and the person reply you by saying jama rek, then you can extend your greeting by saying naka suba si, naka suba si, which means how is the morning? Then the person will reply by saying suba sang fi, suba sang fi, which means the morning is good. Then he or she will turn back and says the same thing to you. Naka suba si. Then he said suba sang na ka, and it is spelled as N-A-K-A. Suba, suba, and it is spelled as S-U-B-A. Si, si, and it is spelled as S-I. When a person says to you naka suba si, you reply by saying suba sang fi, suba sang fi, which means the morning is good or the morning is great. Suba, suba, and it is spelled as S-U-B-A. Sang, sang, S-A-A-N-G, sang. Fi, F-I, F-I, fi. Suba sang fi, suba sang fi. that's what you're going to reply. The morning is great or the morning is good. Jama nga fanan. I hope you rest well. Jama rek? Yes, I did. Naka suba si? How is the morning? Suba sang fi. The morning is great. Oh, the morning is good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a joyful experience. I will be uploading my next video soon. Don't forget to subscribe, share with friends, and click on the notification bell for new updates.